Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and let's talk a little bit about should you go with the lowest quote that you get? Let's get into that. Okay, so you've gotten your quotes. Let's say you've gotten 2 or 3, maybe 4, and you're looking through and you're like, okay, what's the cheapest quote? You find the cheapest quote, you look at it and go, right, should I go with this one because it's the lowest dollar amount? You really have to figure out a couple of things. What type of window are they using versus the other windows? So the other quotes that you've gotten, are they going to be a window brand that you know so well, like a Milgard or a Pella or an Anlin, or are they coming in with something that you've never heard of before? That can be, a red flag. If you've never heard of them, maybe you look them up and find out, well, what kind of window are these guys offering me to give me this kind of a price? I would always encourage any of my customers, because they'll say, well, I hope you're lower than these other guys. And it's like, well, hold on a second. Lower isn't always the best. It depends on what you're going for, right? So if you are flipping houses, if you're a guy who's like, I'm gonna buy houses, I'm gonna flip these things, then what you're dealing with is probably gonna be the lowest quality window. If you own the house and you live in your house and you want the best, you want good value, it's not gonna be the cheapest dollar amount. You're buying something that's going to last a long time. You're buying something that gives you a great warranty. You're buying something that looks beautiful. You gotta ask yourself, what is my goal objective for my window replacement project? Cheap is not good, and good is not cheap. When I say get multiple quotes, this is why. I want you to do some homework. I want you to get the quotes and I want you to find out what's gonna be best for you, your wallet, and your home. Okay guys, hopefully this video helps you out a little bit. If you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments below. I'll try to get to those. Otherwise, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.